Hi friends, today we will see how to make masala khichdi, and for that we will need add 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 bay leaf for aroma, 1 red chilli for aroma, murayas, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, some hing. Mix them well. Now add small brinjal, add a small tomato, add a potato and mix everything well. We have to cook the vegetables on low to medium flame for at least 5 minutes. Then only our khichdi will be delicious. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Again mix them well. Add some peanuts. This is very nutritional khichdi. You can add vegetables whatever you like. Add 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of dry chili powder. Mix everything well. You can add whatever vegetables you like or whatever your children do not like. That is how my mom used to feed me. Add 1 small cup of Tur Dal, one cup of rice. I took dal and rice, not much because we have so many vegetables also along with khichdi. Mix them well, cook them well at least for 5 minutes on a low to medium flame. Add 2 cups of water now. Mix them well again and you can close the cooker. Now your masala khichdi is ready. You can serve that in bowl. You can have it with achar and curry.